Video ka? Thank you, God. Dali, tanawa. Come here. Check it, guys. Did you remember? No, not this one, Janela. This one. Show this one, Janela. Oh, ayun na. Here. Ayun, dito. So, hinaya ba? Did you remember last week, guys? I show you when I try to put the seeds of the beans. Now I'm happy because the beans are growing already. Thank God. So I need to put some.
Palingon ka.
Ana, palingon dyan na.
Makitaan si Fit.
Ay, apil sa Fit. Fit, ay, apil, Fit.
Alala!
Hawa na, Fit. Okay na. Kaluoy ni Fit. My youngest wanted to be in the camera also.
Ayaw lagi.
Okay. So, time to
Karnababod ma.
yeah. Hindi ko.
Karnababod.
Katulat ko pala yo ba? Ay, doon na ni.
Ayaw pa.
Palayo. Ito. Ayan to.
Na si Fit.
Okay na. Ayaw, Fit.
One, two, three.
Sabi, tari. Ako bitigas. Taro nga. Wala kayo bang video eh. Thank you.
Malipay dyan ko may nakuha ng hapit na taas ang karnabang.
Oh, yes. I hope I can still make more beans, guys. I'm really happy to share it with you guys. And I'm happy to give you an update about my beans that I sow last week. And now it's finally growing. All I need to put is a fence so the chicken will not eat it. So beans. And this area, I think the area here didn't really, this one, okay. I really need to put some water now. Okay. Asa man tubig para bubuan eh. Oh my goodness, the water is very dirty. This is from the roof. And today I will share to you, this one is tomato. I put some tomato seeds here. Okay. And of course, this is my garlic here in this area. It's all garlic here. And my peanut. My peanut. Here is my beans. My beans here. Ay, mudo nga na, be. Oh. Maybe someday I can harvest this peanut. I will also share to you guys. Okay. Thanks God. I really need to make a garden. I don't know where, but maybe I will try to make a garden there. I'll make a wood. Then I put some 3 layers of garden. So I can just try to make some eggplant. And also I want to plant some beans, more beans, mungo beans, and everything. So yeah, this is my routine every sunset. Because now it's already sunset, guys. This is oregano. This is my oregano. That's the lemongrass. Did you remember, guys? This is all lemongrass here in this area. I planted 1, 2, 3 lemongrass. So I will need to clean it tomorrow or maybe by Sunday. Because tomorrow I'm not allowed to do anything because it's a holy, it's a very sacred day for us. It's the day when Jesus Christ was, he died in the cross, so it's not really allowed to work. That's what my father says. It's not allowed to work when it's Good Friday. So yeah. Whew. Time to Oh, hoy! Time to make bonfire. You're so dirty now. Go inside. Time to make bonfire. Bonfire na ta. Time to make bonfire. Go inside. Come on. Go inside now. Go inside. Time to make bonfire na. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Sorry, Nok. We need your eggs, Nok, para na makaon mga bata, Nok. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Have a blessed Holy Week.